Trevor, you know, one of the questions I get asked often, I don't know if it's, I wouldn't say it's top three, but it's a question I get a lot when I'm helping clients list a home, sell a home. And that is in regards to open houses. You know, you could ask three different agents and get four different answers, and none of them are wrong. You know, they're all opinions about open houses. And so I'm always curious to see what other people's opinions are on open houses. Do you mind sharing a little bit about your thoughts on them?
You know, I saw your question on open houses this morning, and my first thought was an open house is only as good as the person who's running the open house. I have known agents who will open the door, put the signs out on the street, sit there in the kitchen and wait for people to come in. And I would say that's not the most effective way to handle an open house. I know other agents, yourself included, that an hour before the open house, they'll go around and knock on the neighbors' doors. They'll send out flyers in advance. They'll do a lot of advertising online on the multiple listing service to bring things in. Other agents will not allow showings until the open house. They call that strategy a grand open house style. So let's say we list the house on a Wednesday. Okay, list the house on a Wednesday, go live, there's beautiful photos, everybody wants to see this house, they're calling their agents, and then imagine that you get told, I'm sorry, you have to wait until the open house. It will be 11 o'clock on Saturday. Okay,
Yep.
This strategy is designed to bring about a frenzy of activity all at once. So what we're doing is we're collecting people who want to see the house Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night. We're all telling them, no, come at 11 o'clock on Saturday. So then 11 o'clock on Saturday rolls around, we got 8 people lined up at the front door. Okay?
Yep.
8 people who want to see a house, they're well qualified, they're agents there, and they see all the interest in this house. And you know, a lot of times, especially if it's a hot property, we're going to see offers that same day. We're going to see full price offers, above asking price offers. It doesn't work in every market because it depends on how much interest there actually is, but I've seen that strategy work very well also.
I would agree. I think that strategy, well, you being a flipper, you remodel homes, you make them look drop dead gorgeous. I remodel homes, and that strategy works phenomenal on, I think it works well in lots of different situations, but as far as beautifully, freshly remodeled homes, that's the product that everybody wants. And I've seen, you know, open houses that are 2 hours, and in that 2 hours you're getting over 70 people all at the home because they saw it listed on Wednesday, so they knew about it for 3 days, and then Saturday at 11 to 1, they're showing up with the other 70 people who saw it on Wednesday, and like you said, it does drive a frenzy of multiple offers. I'm with you, and I feel it's a great strategy as far as bringing attention and good marketing to a property.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.